Alright, boys and girls, welcome back to Drive On with me, Naveen Makar, right here on Radio 1 FM 91. A lot of questions and a lot of SMS coming my way, which makes me very, very happy. Right now, I have a very, very special person in the studios. Now, for everybody out there who has kept in touch with the music scene and the relatively जो अभी recent bands आए हैं, जो नए लोग आ रहे हैं screen पर और हमें videos देखने को मिल रही हैं, and YouTube has become, you know, one mean of it. And a lot of new bands are being followed in cults on YouTube as well. So I am going to be talking to N1 right now. I'm sure you guys have heard of them. And of course, मेरे साथ बैठे हैं नईमुल अब्द. I hope I got your name right.
Yes, that's right.
क्या हाल है आपके?
Good, good.
All right, so जल्दी से N1 के बारे में जितने भी लोग हैं जानना चाहते होंगे. You know, it's a one man.
It's a one man band.
All right.
And I'm doing all the lyrics, compositions. But when we get on to actual production of the music, I collaborate.
Okay.
So I collaborate with lots of names. Ali Mustafa हैं, Ali Noor के साथ एक गाना किया है, and DJ Shahrukh.
Okay.
He is one of the collaborators. So we released our first song in late December last year. Inqilab, it did quite well. Initially was picked up by the channels, TV channels. It was aired very well. Revolution has been very much in the mainstream for the past 6 to 8 months in Pakistan with the way the situation is developing in this country. And it's not only Pakistan. Agar last 2 years ko dekhen to Tahrir Square ho, Wall Street ho, and any other place in the world, you'll see people rising up to have their demands met, because governments world over are not probably delivering their best. So that's where Inqilab came into our mind, and then as a first song we threw it out in the market. And yes, you're right that online is a very strong medium. Facebook was our choice, YouTube was our choice. So it first went over there, then it was picked up by the mainstream like television and radio.
तो क्या फीडबैक आया है इस गाने का आपको? बिकॉज द वर्ड इनकलाब इटसेल्फ, इट्स अ वेरी पावरफुल वर्ड, स्पेशली आजकल के हमारे जो हालात चल रहे हैं, यू नो, पाकिस्तान के. यू हियर द वर्ड इनकलाब एंड यू ऑटोमेटिकली अज्यूम कि समथिंग वेरी पॉलिटिकल, समथिंग वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, समथिंग वेरी कंट्रोवर्शियल. तो आपका ये गाना जो है, हाउ डिड द पब्लिक टेक इट, हाउ डिड दे रिएक्ट टू इट?
I think it has got good views on the Facebook, and one of the channels got it exclusively aired in the first 7-8 days, which was a big thing coming from a band that just launched out in the market. So from that I can say the launch of the song was good. The Facebook fan following is good. Inqilab ke upar there is some discussion going on with an Indian movie right now. It's not a commercial movie, it's more towards the developmental side. They are in discussions with N1 right now on rights to acquire this song for Indian cause. Again, their point was ke इनकलाब इधर हो, इजिप्ट में हो या इंडिया में हो, इनकलाब basically it's the people wanting it. It doesn't have a country color to it. Okay. So that's our viewpoint as well. So it has done good. I think as a first song that we went out in the market, I think it was a good platform to go on with.
All right.
N1 is currently doing albums on 2 sides, so we are simultaneously working on 2 albums. One is on Revolution theme, where Inqilab is our first song, and there is much more music on commercial side as well, which includes techno, dance, and rock and pop, all genres.
Okay, so are there any specific people who are working on these 2 separate albums, या यानी आप खुद ही हर चीज मैनेज कर रहे हैं इसके?
I do it myself, but at times I ask for lyrical support. I ask for guitar support. There are a couple of people, very good guitarists in Karachi. So the music industry and music production has shrunk in the last 2 or 3 years with the advent of all this information technology. You'll be surprised that when we work in studios, most of the work is happening on Skype. So we are collaborating with some names, and depending on what a song needs. So Inqilab ke andar Sayam did the guitars, Ali Mustafa did the productions, lyrics were mine, voice was mine, but video ke upar there were 2 producers who collaborated.
All right. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to play. This was your debut, I believe.
Yeah, this
Inqilab is your debut.
This is debut.
And जब हम वापस आएंगे हम इनके बाकी गाने भी प्ले करेंगे. If you have any questions for N1, do send them my way. 9191 is the number. Here is the song Inqilab. Enjoy.
आगही का ये लम्हा तो उठो तुम, कब तक यूं ये लम्हा
आप सुन रहे थे N1 का इनकलाब. अगर आपको कोई सवाल पूछना है इनसे do text in on 9191. A lot of SMS is piling up, but you know what guys, I will read all of them one by one. But first, of course, बात करेंगे नेमुल अब्द से. Alright, so moving on, जब इनकलाब रिलीज हुआ, you got such a great feedback. जब एक कोई सीन पर एक नया बैंड आता है या नया सिंगर आता है, सबसे पहला उसको जो होता है दिमाग में एक कॉन्सेप्ट होता है अपने बैंड या अपने म्यूजिक के लिए. व्हाट इज द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड N1 एंड यू एज अ पर्सन? आपकी इंस्पिरेशंस म्यूजिकली कौन थी? ऑल ऑफ दैट, लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट.
सो आई एम बेसिकली अ मार्केटर बाय प्रोफेशन. I head marketing at one of the leading companies that's around. I've worked my way through brands in the last 10-15 years.
All right.
So music was my first passion. So N1 stands for my first passion. When I ended up creating my band, I named it N1. So we are going to do revolutionary music, and one of that means that revolution will be a key theme for the music with Inqilab and some other songs on that line.
All right.
And then there is going to be a lot of commercial music which people appreciate. That'll be towards soft, rock, pop, trance, dance. So all those genres will be provided to the audience.
All right. So inspirations, क्या थी आपकी musical inspirations? Say everybody has some singer or some band who they listen to, who they look up to when they're growing up.
I think when I was a kid, I listened to a lot of Madonna, a lot of Lionel Richie, lot of Bruce Springsteen. So those were the initial days bands. But I've been progressive. If standing in today, I think Pitbull is doing a great job. I think Black Eyed Peas is doing a great job. Coldplay is doing a great job. So I think musical tastes evolve, and if you don't evolve over time, you just get stuck in your era. So I'm very open.
But what about Pakistani musicians and Pakistani music? Who are your inspirations when it comes to the Pakistani circuit?
I think I'm very much inspired by Vital Signs, the band that really brought in commercial pop music.
Okay.
Yes, Alamgir and Nadia Zohaib were in 70s and early 80s. They were the big success. But really, commercial pop music, Vital Signs, and right after that, an offshoot of that was Junoon. Because Salman Ahmed udhar se udhar nikal gaye and he ended up created a new band जिसके अंदर Jupiters जो Vital Signs का rival band था, उधर से Ali Azmat and Salman got together and all that.
Yeah.
I think that was really the changing thing. And somewhere like आपका अगर passion strong हो, so आप उस चीज में आगे निकलते आते हैं. I think Rohail Hayat, he's the same person who created Vital Signs and all that initial feel to it, the music that we get, and Coke Studio that we got. ultimately.
All right. So the song that I have lined up next is called Bol Ke Lab Azad. So इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप हमें background history बता दें गाने के बारे में. When you did it, how it came about, so on and
It's
so forth.
very recent release. It's like 5-6 days ago. I've put it on the Facebook page.
Okay.
After Inqilab, I was craving to do something which was which had a deeper meaning. Inqilab is like, yes, it says आगही का ये लम्हा है, उठो और कर लो कुछ. But the message is very clear. I wanted to bring a little bit of fusion of some deep words with some powerful music. So I ended up picking up this Faiz Ahmed Faiz's strong lyrics on Bol Ke Lab Azad. Adil Hashmi is a good friend.
Alright.
So I got permission from Faiz and Faiz Ghar and Adil Hashmi, ended up creating this.
All right, so we're going to play you that. If you have any questions for N1, please do text them my way. 9191 is the number. This is going to be Bol Ke Lab Azad.
बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे हो बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल जुबान अब तक तेरी है तेरा सुतवा जिस्म है तेरा बोल के जान अब तक तेरी है बोल हाँ बोल हो बोल हाँ बोल बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे देख के आहन घर की दुकान में धुंध है शोले सुर्ख है आहन खुलने लगे कुफलों के दहाने फैला हर एक जंजीर का दामन बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे हाँ बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल जुबान अब तक तेरी है बोल बोल जरा बोल बोल गल दिल दी खोल जरा बोल 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 जरा खोल खोल गल दिल दी खोल जरा बोल 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 जरा बोल बोल गल दिल दी खोल जरा बोल 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 जरा खोल खोल गल दिल दी खोल जरा बोल 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 ये थोड़ा वक्त बहुत है इस मौजूबा की मौत से पहले बोल के सच जिंदा है अब तक बोल जो कुछ कहना है कह ले बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल हाँ बोल हो बोल हाँ बोल बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल जुबान अब तक तेरी है तेरा सुतवा जिस्म है तेरा बोल के जान अब तक तेरी है बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल जुबान अब तक तेरी है बोल के लब आजाद है तेरे बोल जुबान अब तक तेरी
All right, G, it is is now 53 minutes past the hour, which means that we will very, very have to quickly move on towards break. But उससे पहले कोई message आप देना चाहेंगे for all your fans out there? आपका Facebook page, anything in any way that the fans can personally keep in touch with you, please do share it with us.
Yes, go on to Facebook and check out for N1. It's N followed by the numeral 1. The band. So N1 the band, and you'll find our page. There's 25,000 people out there who are currently appreciating our music.
All right. Thank you so much for being a part of the show, and good luck to you. I am going to move on towards break, guys. When I come back, of course, music is going to continue right here on Radio 1 FM 91. Kahin mat jayega. I'm going to be right back. Ready, steady, go. Drive on will resume after this break.